This is what happens to Jazzy when she's stalking a bird on the ledge. Check out the bird on the ledge. Check out the bird on the ledge, Jazzy. Get it. Get it, Jazzy. Get it. Haha. That bird is evil. Trying to trick you. Trickery. Come on, Jazzy. Take it like a cat. Get it. Here, Lufu. Oh, crap. Oh, no, baby. It's gone. Got scared. I'm sorry, Jazz. I was trying to help you there. Now the birdie's gone. No more stalking. Sorry. Sorry, Jazz. But I kiss you. Aw, sorry, birdie. Sorry, Jazzy. That's how Jazzy goes in action for the bird. The love of the bird. Come on, Jazz. Jazz. Psst. Jazzy, look at me. Look at me. Look at me, Jazz. Yeah. Stalker. My cat is a stalker. I know.